Okay guys, here's the dimension analysis review of the test. Remember, the retest is on Wednesday. Make sure you study. Here's your concepts. Remember, all your conversion units are going to be up here. You already got them. There's one more. I think I'm going to add 16 ounces a pound, 1 kilometers a meters. We're okay. We'll call it if we need it. How many centimeters? Most important thing is, remember, you always start off with what you're looking for. What do you know about centimeters? This one don't count. That's volume. I know that centi means 100, so I have 100 centimeters. I have 100 centimeters per 1 meter. I know that there are 1 meter, there are 1.621 meters, and scratch that. Let's undo that for a second. I know there's 1,000 meters and a kilometer. I know that there's 1 kilometer and 0.621 miles. And I know towards the end is usually what I put, what they gave me, 17 miles. Cancel miles, cancel miles, cancel kilometers, cancel kilometers, cancel meters, cancel meters. So now you multiply the top number, which is 100 times 1,000 times 17. So that's going to be 17 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros divided by 0.621. I know this is right because the only unit I have left is centimeters. You can do the math. How many inches? What am I looking for? What do you know about inches? 12 inches are in 1 foot. We're trying to get to kilometers, so we got to go through miles. There's 5,280 feet per mile. I now have to get to kilometers. I know there's 0.621 miles is 1 kilometer. Then you ask yourself, how many kilometers did they give me? 12 kilometers. What cancels? Remember, this right here is a little ugly. Let me go grab an eraser. Clean this up a little bit right here. Go back to my pen. This guy was 0.621. Kill kilometers, kill miles, kills feet. I'm left with what? Inches. You know it's right. Multiply the top by the top and divide by the bottom. Next question. How many milliliters are in 4 gallons? Milli means 1,000. I know there's 1,000 milliliters per 1 liter. I know from the top that there are in 1 quart and 1 liter there is 1.06 quarts. You should know that there's what, 4 quarts in a gallon. This is a 4 right here per gallon. How many gallons did they give me? They gave me 4. 4 gallons. What cancel? Gallons cancels, right? Quarts cancels. Liters cancels. I'm left with what? Gallons. I know 1,000 times 4 is 16,000 divided by 1.06. How many pounds are in 4.25 kilograms? Fine, you know kilograms, what you're looking for. Looking for pounds. You know 1 pound is, let's see what they say. 1 pound is 454 grams. You know that there is 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. You know they gave you 4.25 kilograms. What cancels? Kilograms, grams. You're left with what? Pounds. Do the math. Remember, this right here is a 4. Oh, that's messy. Let me clean that up a little bit. Hang on. There we go. Clean that up. Bring that brush back down. Make this back to my pen. I'll make this a 4.25. Cool. Alright. These are the tough ones. They're really not tough, you just gotta read what you're looking for. I'm looking for meters per second. I know there's 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer. I know 1 kilometer is 0.6. 1 kilometer is 0.621 miles. I know that 0.621 miles, they give me 555 miles per hour, so I'm going to put the 55 on top per 1 hour, goes on bottom. I'm trying to get to seconds, so I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. I know 60 minutes, 1 minute is what? 60 seconds. Now if you cancel, you're left with bam, 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 bam. You're left with miles over what? You're left with meters per second. You can do the calculations. Take a pause. Now let's go to the back side. This one says you're looking for how many seconds. So you got to go back and ask yourself, what do you know about seconds? I know there are what? 60 seconds in a minute. I know there's 60 minutes in a what? Hour. I know I'm going 65 miles per hour, but since this is hour, I have to flip that and say 1 hour is 65 miles. I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet from the chart. I know 1 foot is 12 inches. I go back and see what they gave me. They gave me inches, so I'm going to multiply by 36 inches. Once again, top times top times top, divided by bottom times bottom times bottom. How many gallons? How many milliliters? Milli is what? 1,000. So that's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. You know 1 liter is 1.06 quarts. You know there are 4 quarts in a gallon. there's four. Oh, heck. What's wrong with the pen? Take a pause. You know there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. You know that's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. How many gallons did they give me? 0.0032 gallons. Gallons cancel, quarts cancel, liters cancel. Do the math, then you have the answer. How many kilograms is 520 ounces? Well, right off the bat, what do you know about ounces? 16 ounces is what? 1 pound. Right? Now the question is that right? No. You're looking for what? Kilograms. So this is wrong. We should start off with what? Kilograms. I know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. I also know that there's 454 grams in 1 pound. I know this should say LB for pounds. Let's go back to the brush. Click on it. Close. Per 1 pound. I know 1 pound is how many ounces? 16. How many ounces did they give me? 520. Ounces cancel. Ounces cancels. Pounds cancel. Pounds cancel. Grams cancel. Grams cancels. Do the math. And divide by the bottom. I'll come back and do the answers in a second. Conversion factor. How many barrels? I know 1 barrel holds 42 gallons. How many gallons did it give me? 15,000. Gallons cancel. I'm left with what? Barrels. 1,500 divided by 42. You do the math. This one got some big numbers, but we're okay. Speed in miles per hour. Who has to go on top? Miles. What do you know about miles? 1 mile is 0.621 kilometers. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, because centi is 100. I have 3 with 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 zeros centimeters per 1 second. I'm trying to get the hours, so I got to convert that to 60 seconds is a minute. And I know 1 minute, instead of 60 seconds, 1 minute. And 1 minute, sorry, there are 60 minutes in a what? Hour. That's messy. There are 60 minutes. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. What cancels? Seconds cancels. Centimeters cancels. Centimeters cancels. Meters cancel. Kilometers cancel. So that should be your answer. Now, just to make sure, you're going to multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 30 million times 60 times 60. Hit enter. Divide by 0.621 times 1,000 divided by 100. and then go from there. That should give you the answer.